Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for computer science. First, focus on building a strong foundation. This means truly understanding core concepts such as data structures and algorithms, which are the backbone of computer science. Dedicate time to grasp programming paradigms and the syntax of your chosen language. Consistent practice with fundamental exercises will solidify your knowledge and prepare you for more complex challenges. Next, embrace active learning. Don't just read about concepts, implement them. Start small projects to apply what you've learned, reinforcing your understanding. Regularly tackle coding challenges on various platforms to sharpen your problem-solving skills and expose yourself to different problem types. Debugging your own code is also crucial for learning to identify and fix logical errors effectively. As you progress, begin exploring specialized areas that pique your interest, such as artificial intelligence, web development, or cybersecurity. This helps you discover your niche. Collaboration is also key. Work with peers on group projects to share insights and learn from different approaches. Contributing to open-source projects offers invaluable real-world experience and expands your professional network significantly. Finally, remember that computer science is an ever-evolving field, so continuous learning is essential. Stay updated with new technologies and industry trends by reading articles and attending webinars. Building a portfolio of personal projects demonstrates your practical skills to potential employers. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Keep practicing, stay curious, and enjoy the journey of becoming a proficient computer scientist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.